안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to next matchup. Today we're making 돌나물 muchim. 돌나물 is this plant, this type of stone sort of plant. Dol is stone, and it has a very 새콤 달콤 flavor. That means sweet and sour in Korean. So we're gonna make this. It's turning into what we call a side dish or banchan here in Korea. And in Korea, if you know anything about Korean food and Korean cooking, you know banchan and side dishes are very important. So I'm gonna show you how to make this one. It's super easy, super fast, and it tastes great. Let's begin. The reason this works so well as a side dish in Korea is because of the nature of this stonnamu, the dolnamu. Basically, it's very crunchy with sort of a soft inside. The leaves are quite thick, and so when you add it with the sauce we're making, it's got vinegar, red pepper powder, red pepper paste, a little bit of sweetness with the plum extract, and the sugar plus the garlic. We put all that together. It just goes really well with this type of vegetable because it's not like sort of like a spinach, which gets very soft and thin. It has that thickness to it and that crunch will stay over a couple of days. So even the next day when you have it, it's still just as tasty, maybe even more so because it's been sitting in that sauce. So when we're making this, we want to preserve our stone, but we don't want to mush it or scrunch it. So softly wash this, very softly. You don't want it falling apart. Then we're going to add some vinegar and let it sit for 5 minutes. That vinegar is just going to help clean it off a little bit and help preserve some of the flavor and the crispiness that we want. And put it in nice cold water as well. We don't want hot or warm water because we don't want to cook this. Then rinse it off, give it another quick wash and dry it. And once again, softly, do everything softly or all the leaves are going to fall off. Look, we've got lots of leaves on there. They're not falling off because we're taking our time, we're being careful. Then we just add the sauce in and mix it up. And once again, mix it softly. I keep saying that, but it's so true. If you ever use this, you know the leaves fall off really easily. Give it a good mix. Look, slowly, slowly. And it looks like it's sort of hard to mix in. There's big clumps of that sauce, but that's okay. Just keep slowly mixing and it'll turn nice and red like this. And that's a lot of sauce on this. So just, decide how much you want to use. I could probably add a little bit more of the vegetable to it, balance out some of the sauce. But also I like the sauce, so I don't mind putting lots on. But do it how you feel like it. All right, let's eat. So this is actually my favorite banchan, my favorite side dish in Korea. The flavor is quite surprising. This might look like a strange plant, so this stone plant, 돌나물, but the flavor is excellent. It's soft, it's sort of crunchy, and when you add the vinegar and that 새콤 달콤, sweet, sour, spicy flavor to it, so good. It's so good. I can't say it like enough. It is just so tasty. I could eat this whole bowl of this. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Every week I cook a new Korean dish. I've been living in Korea for a long time now, nearly half my life. So I cook a new Korean dish every week. Sometimes it's something new, sometimes it's something old like this one. Alright, enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. 안녕히 계세요.